What's your good name?
My name is Palomi Pavni Shukla, and I would like to give a small brief introduction of myself. I have fought for the right of orphan children since 2016. I've written the most extensive book on orphan children called Weakest on Earth, Orphans of India, and I've also got orders from this honorable court.
What is your IA number?
My IA number is 10296 of 2026. And I've also got orders from this honorable court extending right to education for orphan children, counting orphans.
Very good credentials you have.
Yes, Your Lordship. So I want to make a very important submission on the behalf of orphan and vulnerable children of India. India has 31 million orphan children, 11 to 18 million children on the streets, and these are UNICEF numbers. Your Lordship, the point is that these children are on the streets and their only protectors, in my experience, in my ground experience, are these street dogs. When I walk away from a railway station or a bus station or even a hospital complex, I walk away slightly more comfortable knowing that the 13-year-old girl who's sleeping on that railway station is protected because she's got a street dog sleeping next to her, that she will not be raped. And Your Lordship, I find it a little, and I'm sorry and I say this very, very humbly, constitutionally inverse that we are talking about spending 20,000 crore for shelters for dogs when 45 districts out of 75 in Uttar Pradesh don't have a single orphanage, when we have more children on the street. This case started with children. So the protection of children inside homes, the rights of children inside homes cannot be more important than the rights of children without homes. That is point one, sir. Lordship, I have 3 points, Lordship, none of them have been made. I have noted I will not go into this, in my notes and in my IA, how these children are protected. Many media cases of these children protected, but a lot of it is not explained in the media because, Your Lordship, these children have no voice and they have no parent but this court. And if this court removes their last line of defense before giving them shelter, then, Your Lordship, these children would have been orphaned twice, once by fate and once by this state and this honorable court. My second submission, which I'll put in very short, is that these dogs also protect poor societies, poor RWAs, which don't have security guards, and also women. As a girl who lives alone in Delhi, I walk the street feeling more comfortable that there are dogs and not who can bark if I am attacked. These are my very humble submissions about this. And the second, Lordship, my submissions are about, I have worked with a series of doctors to explain the zoonotic diseases. I know that you have been told there will be zoonotic diseases, but I want to give you examples of 5 zoonotic diseases which have already happened due to overcrowding of animals. These are Nipah virus, the swine flu, the Japanese encephalitis, the SARS,